Organizing your childcare is like cutting an onion when you are preparing a meal. You might cry, but organization is the key in your business. Today, I will share with you how to avoid cluttering toys in your childcare. Hola, this is Lady and welcome to my channel. I'm a childcare provider in the city of Palm Beach, California. If this is your first time, don't forget to subscribe and also click the bell button so you won't miss my future videos. Without any further delay, let's start now. How to avoid cluttering toys. There are 6 basic things that you can do. The first one is gather, reduce, sort, divide, store, and rotate. And how can you do that? Let me explain myself. In the main area of your childcare, gather all the toys. Put everything in the center. Pile them up. See, at the beginning it will be super messy. But this is the way how you will get organized. For the best results, I recommend you to do this when there is no kids in your childcare, so you can focus a little bit more. But if this is not an option for you, get the kids involved and ask all of them to bring you all the toys to the center. Next, go through the pile and throw away all the broken toys, items that are missing pieces like puzzles. Take out everything that is no longer age appropriate. Pick out toys that children do not use anymore and put them aside in the garage, donate them, or just pass to somebody who really needs it. Now that you are done gathering all the toys, now it's time for you to sort them in 3 different categories. Open-ended toys, dramatic play, and then the last one, it will be gross motor toys. Now, if you have a preschool program, you will need more than 3 categories. You will need for math, language and literacy. You will need also another group for science. There are so many other categories that you can do if you have a preschool program. Now that you are done sorting them in 3 different categories, it's the time to divide the toys. And you can use containers like this. Like I got this one at the dollar store, so it was just $1 for me to be able to organize. And what you can do is you can have the same amount. So what I like from this, they are not too big. So I have all my blocks here. And when you are done putting all of this in different baskets, the next thing, don't forget to label. If you don't have a label, what you can do is just take a picture and then print the picture. And then clean up is gonna be easy for the kids to do it. So there is no more excuse for cleaning up when you have this kind of organization. So now you already gather all the toys. You reduce many of them in the trash. You already sort them in 3 different categories. You are done sorting. Now the next thing will be how to storage them. Something that I did is I got this one at Target. It was like $4.99, but also Costco has another ones, and it's kind of this one. They are clear container, which I like the most. I have many toys that are used for spring, and this is where I put it. So that same process will apply to toys, to curriculums, to your books. In a little bit, I'm gonna show you my garage so you can see how I do it by month and also by theme. I got this one at the 99 cents store. It was for $1.99 and really lasts me longer than the Target one. Anything that you want to storage is so important to have them in your garage. Don't have them on top of your shelf because it doesn't look good, it doesn't look professional, it doesn't look organized. To me, what it does, it looks more overwhelmed. So it's so important to keep it always your shelves very clear. Less toys is simple. So here you have 2 different options on how to storage your toys and also your books. And it's better to have the clear ones because you can see through. Now the next step is toy rotation. Right now, let's say we are in April. At the end of April, kind of like the last week of April, I put everything away. Now I'm ready for the next month. So just make sure, don't forget to label. Now you know that all this one has to be put it away in the garage. If you don't have a garage, try to find maybe like a closet where you can accumulate all the toys. Something that I would recommend is have different containers for every month, and every month bring them. And every time you do that, you're gonna see that the kids, they're gonna feel like Christmas. They're gonna be so happy when they see a new toy coming up. And they're gonna wait, they're gonna help you to put all the old toys away, and they're gonna be so excited to come to your childcare on Monday and see the new toys. So no more old toys. With kids, we have to be very simple. Less options, it's simple. Less options makes it easy for cleaning up, and also for you to disinfect all these toys. The more toys you have, the more toys you have to disinfect it. So keep that in mind too. Now that we have this COVID-19, we have way more to disinfect it than before. Why you have to clutter your space when you can sell this and make extra money? Why you have to clutter your space when you can donate these toys to a new family? Think about all those things. Making the most of your space will create a fun opportunity in your childcare. Your environment will look super, super nice. Keeping everything safe, free of clutter, and clean toys is a great way to show that your childcare is not just a childcare, it's also a quality of care. Your employees also play a big important role on this, especially when you are trying to keep your childcare organized. It's important that you communicate to them how important it is for you to keep your childcare organized, especially your toys, and how often you have to rotate them, talk to them about labeling, everything that I'm telling you, talk to them. And if you like, you should also share this video so they understand all the basic things to do when we are trying to be organized and when we are trying to be away from clutter. This is the end, and I hope this video helps you to be free of clutter. I would like to hear from you. How do you manage your toys and how you organize your space? Don't forget to make a comment, also subscribe and click the bell button so you won't miss my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Hasta pronto. See you soon.